Good morning. My name is Nolan Regan, and today we're going to go over setting up the headland and the headland pass function within the Pro 1200 display. All right, folks, once the display has booted up, we're going to go ahead and come down to the run screen that contains our map here. The next thing we're going to need to do is, once we have the grower, farm, and field selected that we want to be operating in and our outer boundary selected, we're going to come in here and we're going to click on the Headland tab. If we had multiple outer boundaries within this field, it would populate them here, but we only have the one. So we're going to go ahead and hit Start. Next, we have three different types of headlands we can create. We can get generated on one end, both ends, or all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and select all the way around for today. The next thing we need to do is come in here and select how many headland passes or how wide our headland is going to be. I have a 30-foot implement on here today, so that's going to generate our headland passes automatically in 30-foot increments. Today I'm going to select one for the size of this field. We'll now hit apply and hit yes. The next thing we need to do is we need to come in and set our headland field swath. We're going to come back in here and we're going to go down to field swath and we're going to click on boundary, and it'll automatically select our boundary here and we can hit start. The next thing we need to do, now you can see it's already populated a lot of guidance lines through this field. We don't want it to do that. We're going to come back in here and go on to manage, and we're going to open this field up. Now you can see right here we have 4 different modes to select from. To show the square passes, to give us nice straight guidance lines, I'm going to leave it on square here and we're going to hit the gear icon. The next thing we need to do is come into count and drop this down to 1 headland count and hit apply and then hit yes. And as you can see here, it has now generated guidance lines that once I go ahead and turn my guidance on, we can engage on those lines and clean up our headland when we're done working the field. Now when you're doing this, you might say, hey Nolan, I got fields that don't have square edges and I just want to follow a guidance line all the way around my headland when I'm done. Great, we can do that too. We can come back in here again, set our headland back up. I'm going to leave it on 30 foot, go all the way around, hit apply, go ahead and hit yes. Next thing we'll do, go back in, create a new field swath. Again, putting it back on boundary and hitting start. You can see it's already made my 3 headland passes and it's on square, made those nice square corners. I don't want to do that. Let's say we want to go ahead and change that. We'll go back into manage, click on that field swath. We're going to change this one to closed and hit apply. Hit OK if it gives us a warning and cancel that. And as you can see here, it's gone ahead and created nice curves for us to follow around this field to go ahead and take care of this headland. Using the headland pass function is extremely useful for automating the creation of headland passes and removing all the guesswork from managing multiple different AB lines. You just let the Pro 1200 take care of that for you. You've now learned how to use the headland pass, the headland, and some of the different types of headland passes you can set up within the Pro 1200 display. Now here at Birkey's Farm Store, we do offer a field boundary recording service. What this allows us to do is take the guesswork out of recording those boundaries yourself. We take care of that for you, and then we provide you with a high-quality RTK boundary that you can stick into your Pro 1200 monitor to make use of certain functions such as the headland, headland pass, and field swath. For more information over the Pro 1200 display, please feel free to reach out to your local Birkey's Farm Store to speak to your precision farming specialist.